Somebody must have kicked you around, son. Tell me why you want to lie there and revel in your abandon. It's all the same to me. Everybody's in a fight to be free. Sing it down and live like a refugee. No, you don't and live like a refugee. No, baby, you ain't the first. I'm sure a lot of other lovers been burned. It's all the same to you. One last day, gotta feel me too. You know, this song is an old song, like 40 years or more. And I wasn't going to do this song because the Heartbreakers version is so epic. But the words on this song are so good and pertinent. I was trying to think of some way to get them across for my brother. And we came up with the waltz. Kind of an Irish waltz, if you will. But you know, the words on this are so damn good. God bless him, he could write some words. And when he wrote this, you know, the world was in a lot of upheaval at the time. And these words made a lot of sense. And I'm glad that the song has lasted, and it'll probably last a long time. But I'm sad that these words are still so true today. I'm not going to get into the darkness, but it's very pertinent to what's happening right now. Woo! Somewhere, somehow, somebody must have kicked you around, son. Who knows, maybe you were tied up and taken away and held for ransom.